Racing just is started with Silver Honey. First to show quickness at the start. The Predator is down on the inside. Double Boy Melody comes next. Rushing up Nawariya's at Echo Mac. Boomerang. Then next online is Melody. Then followed now by No 5. Then this one is Dragon Lady, while Lock and Key is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Boomerang by about 4 lengths. Silver Honey in second. The Predator is down on the inside. 3 lengths further back in fourth comes Echo Mac. Double Boy comes next. Dragon Lady, Melody, while Luck and Kia is still running at the tail of the field. We have Boomerang moving up now. The outside is Silver Honey. In the middle portion now is the Predator. Then here comes Double Boy, now trying to get closer in fourth. Melody comes next, Luck and Kia. Dragon Lady comes next, while Echo Mac now running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Silver Honey, Link and Hap. Double Boy in second. The Predator remains in third with about 150 meters more to run. We have Silver Honey, this time by about 3 lengths, followed by Double Boy, Luck and Key outside to take second, and finally Silver Honey, Luck and Key. Then comes Double Boy, Boomerang, the Predator.
Boomerang, fourth.
Yep, then the Predator. 4-7, 2-3-1. Dehado yung segundo.